Hello there. So children, in the previous session we have covered problems based on cone, like surface area of the cone or volume of the cone. We have seen problems, and now we will move forward and deal with next geometrical figure called as a sphere. Now what is a sphere? Sphere is nothing but a circular object. It's a 3D object. Alright. So if I draw like this is a circle, because it has only two dimensions. One is horizontal direction, other is vertical dimension. If this has got some depth also, then it becomes a 3D object. Alright. So if it is a 3D object, it may appear to have something like this. So now you understand, if this is a center with small strokes, with little idea, I can make you feel a 2D object as a 3D object. So sphere is basically a 3D object. When you say 3D object, there is an additional dimension which is added to the 3D object called as volume. For all the 2D objects you have area, but for a 3D object you have total surface area, lateral surface area, and one more additional dimension called as volume, right? So let us try to see what are the formulas to find the surface area. Alright, now I will say surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. This is the formula, and in sphere is the only case where you will have total surface area is equal to lateral surface area, and that is given by the formula 4 pi r square, right? There is nothing called as, both of them are same, right? It is not different. So I will say total surface area or lateral surface area, that is both equal to what? 4 pi r square. And then you have something called as volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. Now what is volume of a sphere? The formula for volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Please always try to understand, whenever the power is 2 you are dealing with area, whenever the power is 3 you are dealing with volume. So I want you to know these two formulae for sphere, surface area of the sphere and volume of the sphere, and draw a rough sketch. Pause the video and then we'll go for the next question. Yeah. See, what the radius of the sphere is 3.5 centimeters. Find the surface area and volume. It's only for practice sake. For a sphere, only one dimension. If you know all the physical quantities, you can find. Volume is a physical quantity, surface area is a physical quantity, and if you know only one dimension, there is only one dimension for sphere, right? That is radius. So given radius r is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Now I am supposed to find the surface area. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. So it is 4 into pi, 22 by 7, into r square is 3.5 into 3.5. So I can write this as 7 1s 7.5s. So 4 into 22 is 88. 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10. 3.5 can be written as 35 by 10. So what am I going to do? 88 into 35 5s 175 by 10 into 10 100. Now I shall multiply 175 into 88. 8 5s 40. 4 carry. 8 7s are 56 plus 4 60, 0, 6 carry, 8 1s are 8 plus 6, 14, followed by 0, 0, 4, 1. So you get 0, 0, 4, 5, 1. So it is 15400 divided by 100, 2 zeros cancel. What you get? 154. What are you dealing with? You are dealing with area. So area is 154 cubic centimeters. CC stands for what? Cubic centimeters. The next question, what is that? You are supposed to find the volume. Now volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So it is 4 upon 3 into pi. Pi is how much? 22 upon 7 into r cube. R cube is 3.5 whole cube. So I will write this as 35 by 10 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. So to make things simple, I am writing that way. So now I can say 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. 7 cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22. Now what is next we have? We have this part of the problem. 11 4s are 44 into 35 into 35. Very simple, I will tell you. 35 whole square, 5 square 25, 3 square 9 plus 3 is 12. It is 1225 divided by 3 into 100. Now for time being, what I am going to do is I am going to divide 44 with 3. So it will be 3 1s are 3, you have 14, 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18, 3 6s are 18. Do the normal division. So what are you going to do? 14.66 into 1225 divided by 100. So this calculation I am leaving it to you. Please write in the comment box what answer you get, and if any clarification is there, I shall resolve. So this is the volume of the sphere. So let us move ahead and in the one shot try to cover the next problem also. See, in the previous case, the radius was given and you can find everything. Now, radius is not given. He is asking you to find the volume. In order to find the volume, you need radius. To find radius, some condition should be given. And the condition given to you is this, that the surface area is 1018 2 by 7. I will say given surface area is 1018 2 by 7. Now, what is surface area formula? 4 pi r square is equal to 1018 into 2 by 7. Now, let me write this mixed fraction properly. It is 1018 into 7. 7 8s are 56, 6, 5 carry, 7 1s are 7, plus 5 12, 2, 1 carry, 7 zeros are 0, plus 1, 1, 7 1s are 7. So it is 7126 plus 2 will be 7128. So it is 7128 divided by 7. Now 4 pi r square is 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. What is r square? I don't know. We have to find r square. Right? So it is 7128 divided by 7. I am sure 7 7 will get cancelled. Now you have to find r square is equal to 7128 divided by 22 into 4. Now I am sure we can cancel this by 11. 11 6 are 66. Now 71 minus 66 will be 5. Alright, see, 7128 you divide by 11. 11 6 are 66. So it is 5 and 2. Then you say 11 4s are 44. You have 8 and 8. 11 8s are 88. Remainder is 0. So what you get? 648. And 11 2s are 22. Once again, 2 1s are, and then you write this as 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are. Now you write r square is equal to 324 divided by 4. Now 324 divided by 4 is 4 1s are, 481s are. So radius is equal to square root of 81. Radius is equal to how much? 9. You got the dimension of the sphere, the only dimension, that is radius. And so many what? It should be centimeters, because the area is square centimeters. So you got the radius is 9 centimeters. Now what are you supposed to find? You are supposed to find the volume. So we know that volume of a square is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Alright. So I will say 4 by 3. Pi is 22 by 7. R cube means it is 9 into 9 into 9. Children, I am leaving this to you. 3 1s are, 3 3s are. 22 by 7, I can write 4 into 22 by 7 is 3.14, and then followed by 9 9s 81, 81 3s are 243. This multiplication I am leaving it to you. Please multiply and comment in the comment box that what answer you got. Alright, so it is very simple, and if you know the formulae, you can handle problems very well. Now I want you to pause the video and understand and try to do problem on your own. We'll go for the next problem after this. Yes, children. The diameter of a spherical ball is 21 centimeters. So, given diameter is equal to 21 centimeters. I am interested in radius. Radius is equal to diameter by 2. 21 by 2 centimeters. So, what I want, I already got it. How much leather is required to prepare 5 such balls? So, area of, not area of, I will say leather required to prepare 5 balls is equal to 5 into area of 1 ball. Right. So 5 into what is area of 1 ball? You are dealing with surface area. It is 4 pi r square. So it is 5 into 4 into 22 upon 7 into r square. What is r square? 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Any cancellations are there? 7 ones are, 7 threes are, 2 twos are 4. Now 5 into 22 is 110. 3 into 21 is 63. So I need to multiply. 11 into 63 is 693 followed by 0. So many, what you are dealing with area, so many centimeter square or square centimeters of area or leather is required to make 5 such balls. So is it not simple, my dear children? All you need to know is the surface area formula. There is no lateral surface area, both are same. Lateral surface area or total surface area, both are same only for sphere. And in the next class we are going to deal with hemisphere. How do you get hemisphere? You cut a sphere into 2 parts, what you get is a hemisphere. That we are going to deal in our next class. Meanwhile, you pause the video, copy and try to understand. Thank you, take care and bye bye.